Hello, welcome back, friends, to my YouTube channel MTech. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how can we format a USB flash or make a USB flash bootable for using to install a Windows from a USB. So before starting that, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. And at the end, if you have any question or if you face with any technical issues, please write down below on the comments. So I'll read the comments and I'll make the tutorial for your questions. So let's go and start the job. So guys, I wanna use this USB flash for installing Windows, and please do not forget that your USB should be more than 16 GBs space. So just I will show you the way because it's less than 8 GB. Maybe Windows 10 is not this USB does not have any enough space for Windows 10. So I will just show the template or just trial that how can we do it. So I want to format this from a CMD and make it bootable for installing Windows. So come to start menu, write CMD. From here you can open CMD, or you can just write Windows, press Windows button with R, and write down here you can write CMD and press it OK. From here you can write down disk part. Friends, follow me everything that I write here. Please follow step by step, okay? And you can see here after this part you can write list disk, the second part. From here choose disk 1 because disk 0 is the computer space. You can write select disk 1. After that we are going to write clean. After select disk 1 we are going to write clean. After clean we are going to write create partition primary, create partition primary, and after that write select partition 1, select partition 1. Okay guys, do not forget to write the spelling the correct way, because if you write it the spelling wrong, okay, it will not work. After select partition 1, try to write active, and after active write format fs equal ntfs quick, press enter, wait until it completes 100%. If it will take a few seconds to complete, so it will complete. It's already completed 100%. So now write down assign, and after assign from here, guys, you can, if you can see it, write assign here. Okay, and after the assign you can write exit, and we are done, guys. So that was it. So we already uh, format a USB and make it bootable for installing Windows. And now we can use this USB flash for installing Windows, and it's already formatted. See, it's already cleaned, and there is nothing inside it. Okay. Thanks for watching these videos. If you have any question, please once again do not forget to write down on the comments. So share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.